Hello guys, and welcome to Top 4 Earn channel. Imagine waking up to a lavish lifestyle where you have everything you want and need, being able to go anywhere you want and always having the time of your life. All of this without doing anything drastic or overworking yourself to the point of extreme exhaustion. You're way ahead of the life and of others. What if I told you that this is all possible and you can actually do this at the comforts of your own home? But if I told you that just by clicking and watching this video you're already on your way to better tomorrow? With this method that I'm about to show you, you will be able to earn money online, but only as long as you follow all the steps and watch the entire video. Now, not everyone is earning money with this method because they tend to skip some parts of the video. I don't want that to happen to you, because it's possible for you to make more than $700 today, tomorrow, and the coming weeks and months just by clicking away. Get ready to profit non-stop. Let's go. This is Top 4 Earn, and welcome to the channel where I teach you methods on how to make money online. Subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. Don't forget to smash the like button. And if you have any questions, concerns, or suggestions, feel free to leave a comment down below. Now let's get started. Let's go to lucrative. Once you're here, I want you to click on the Browse tab and then click on Browse Projects on the drop-down that will appear. After clicking that, you will be brought on to a new page where you will see the featured projects. There are a variety of projects available, and as you can see here, you can get paid up to $2,500 to $5,000 paid in US dollars depending on the project. There's also different traits per project, and here's a really huge selection of projects for you to choose from. On the left side, you can see the categories that are available. For example, usability testing, registrations, translations, and languages, and a lot more. Now you can make a lot of money in all these categories, but in order for us to save time, I'll help you out and teach you where and what the best and highest products are. But for today, we will be focusing on graphics and design. Now, don't be discouraged. You don't need any graphical or technical skills for this. This will be one of the easiest things that you will do in your entire life. It's so easy, it's almost tantamount to being lazy. Take a look at the available projects, and here you can earn a lot of money by doing these. And when I say a lot, it's actually quite an understatement. If we keep on scrolling down, there are an unlimited amount of jobs. So this just means that you will be profiting non-stop from this. If you're enjoying the video, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and don't forget to leave a comment down below for this video. I will use this as an example. This job requires you to make or design a new and original logo for the company, and you'll get paid in this amount in US dollars. Let's click on it. You will then see the project budget on the right, and you will also see who or what company posted this. And if you scroll down, you will see the instructions and including the deadline on the right as well. Now, to make a logo, as I mentioned earlier, you don't need any technical skills, so open another tab and go to Free Logo Design. Free Logo Design is a free online logo software helping entrepreneurs, small and medium businesses, freelancers, or associations to create professional logos in minutes. This website offers free services to create a logo, and you can do it in seconds. You can check out the samples made, and they're done really professionally. All you need is just the company name, and also you need to select the category you're basing on how your logo will be designed or styled. If you don't know what the company name is, go back to lucrative and check out the name of the company right near at the top that I showed earlier. The reason why we need the company name is because it will appear in the logo. Of course, you have to refer to the instructions of the company as well, so that the logo you will select will perfectly fit whatever the company has requested. Right next to where you enter the company name, you can select the right category that matches with a name and the type of company they are. There's a huge selection of logos available, so you can just go ahead and select what you think is best. You can do all of this with one click of a button. As for changing the logo in regards to its color, size, and more, you can just click drag and move the image to change how it looks and make adjustments. It's all totally up to you. And after you're done with the logo, just save it and download it. By the way, you can actually do this in your phone or computer, which makes it convenient for you to do this anywhere. Don't forget to sign up to both lucrative org, and free logo design as well. One more bonus tip I have for you is that you can also go over to 5rr.com, another freelancing website. You can look for logo design jobs on the search bar, see all the virtually unlimited jobs, and earn money there too. I hope you got some value out of this video, and if you did, don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to the channel. This is Top 4 Earn, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.